Hi everybody, my name is Dave Marsh. I'd like to welcome you to this OneHome tutorial. And today we're going to take a look at a few reasons why you may want to sign up for a free, feature-enhanced OneHome account. So let's begin by first clicking on the property notification link emailed to you by your agent. Now for anyone who's already familiar with OneHome, you already know that by default, your OneHome account automatically allows you full access to each of the properties sent to you by your agent. And for those who simply want to view these listings, calculate their monthly costs, or explore some neighborhood insights, then a default account may be all the access that you need. But for anyone who'd like to harness the full power of OneHome, you'll first be required to sign up for a free enhanced OneHome account. And the reason for this is so you're able to manage your OneHome configuration, as well as protect any personal information that you ultimately decide to share. So for a quick overview of the additional features included with registering, let's begin by first creating a free account. And you'll notice that OneHome automatically applies the same email address used with your notifications. So for now, simply add your first name, last name, and a password to identify you each time that you sign in. Next, read and agree to the terms of service. Then click Create Account and log in with your new credentials. All right, so you remember that before we registered, we only had the ability to view our search results in OneHome. But now that we've signed in, we also have the option of saving any custom searches we create to use at another time. All right, so now let's access a listing. And in addition to the default behavior that we saw earlier, we now have the ability to apply for the best mortgage rates, gather insurance quotes, share specific notes about this listing with an agent, schedule an open house tour, or mark a property as a favorite, or just not interested. Signing up also allows a user to create a buying or a selling plan with their agent, keeping them well informed of the process every step of the way. And finally, by signing up with OneHome, users are able to configure their own portal preferences, starting with choosing exactly what personal information they'd like to be shared when soliciting quotes from a service provider. Plus, in addition to receiving special OneHome offers, users can also select their ideal property preferences, which are ultimately calculated and included as a property fit score along with each of the listings displayed. All right, well, this concludes this OneHome tutorial. For all the latest information and for quick access into your registered OneHome account, don't forget to visit onehome.com. Take care.